I love to dance for my mama on Mother's Day because I'm dancing for her as she was dancing when she was younger and she passed it on to us.
A special thank you from the heart.
Well, I would have to say that Mother's Day, growing up, Mother's Day was always a very exciting time to be in the parish because, well, it was nice for the mothers to come downstairs. We always had something very special for them, and the dance group was always involved. And it was also the week before the yearly festival, and so we always knew that the fresh new dance that they were going to perform would be performed for us as a parish. Everybody always came for Mother's Day. It was an always full hall, so that was very nice.
Hi, I'm Ivana. I'm 19 years old and I've been part of the Hrvatska Zora community for 15 years.
Hi, I'm Josipa. I'm 23 years old. I've been dancing since I was 5 or 6. I was first introduced to dancing when my mom was teaching and I was just watching to the side, and I could see always how much she loved it, so she kind of instilled that in me. And actually I'm wearing her hat right now. She beaded this over 20 years ago. I wore it for the first time 4 years ago and I get to wear it again, so it's pretty special to me because I know she loves that. I kept on dancing since I was 5 because it kept me closer to my roots. I feel if I didn't dance I'd be further away from my Croatian heritage because it's always been a big part of my family and my life. And I don't know why I'm crying. I told you I was going to cry because I just know how much my mom loves it and I love it. And I think I'm thinking about my grandma this weekend and I wish she could still watch me dance, and I know she's proud of me.
Hi everybody. I'm just going to talk about our performance today a little bit. So I dance with the alumni group. So we're all, I don't know, over 20. I'm the youngest. I'm 37. I'm the youngest in the group. I want to say that. And we had a Mother's Day performance today at the Travnik. And we did pretty good. We did Bunjamačko. It's fun to watch everybody smiling and laughing and dancing, and other people in the groups enjoying us, and all their kids are watching them dance and stuff. So it was a pleasure to dance today for Mother's Day.
I love to dance because I get to express my heritage through dancing, and I get to pass it on to younger generations, as I am teaching small group for 2 years and I have been teaching middle group for 1, and I hope to continue that.
So we end up doing our Mother's Day performances. It's kind of a dress rehearsal for all of us attend the Western Canadian Croatian Folklore Festival every year. So it's a good try for us to try our dance and see what we need to fix. And we love doing it for the mothers, of course, all the mothers in the community. So we kind of like see what's wrong with our dance and then fix it up for a festival and make sure our costumes are good, and it's just a trial run for everybody, and just have a lot of fun doing it. For me, dancing is, I just love being with everybody. We laugh at practice, we cry probably, sometimes we get mad at each other, but I think we have a lot of fun. It's a good way to keep up our culture, and we just have a great time, and I love watching the performances of even the little kids to all of us older ones, and it's just a nice way to keep in touch with everybody, keep our Croatian culture going here in Canada, because we're so far away, and just having fun.
Hej, kato moje zlato, sjedi do mene, hej da bečarsko, srce nebene.